there, adorable people. We are going to talk about fraction skills today that we need as we're multiplying and dividing fractions. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to first look at converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. You're going to need this skill when multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. So say I have the number 4 2/5, right? And I want to convert that to an improper fraction. To do that, I'm going to multiply the bottom, add the top, work my way around. So you're literally just going to kind of go around in this clockwise scenario. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22, and your denominator is going to stay the same. So 4 2/5 is equivalent to 22/5. We need to remember about a mixed number that it's like a married couple. You got to keep it together. So you can't separate it out. When we're multiplying and dividing fractions with mixed numbers, we have to change to an improper fraction. Multiply the bottom, add the top. Well, what if I want to go reverse? And what if I want to convert my improper fraction to a mixed number? So say I have 17/5, right? If I have 17/5 and I want that as a mixed number, because remember, with fraction operations, you can't leave your answer as an improper fraction. You have to convert it back to its simplest form as a mixed number. So I use long division. Numerator divided by the denominator. Now, obviously, we can do some of this in our Desmos, but your Desmos will convert to a decimal and not leave it as a fraction. And sometimes with our answers, or always with our answers, we need that fraction answer. So we use long division. 5 goes into 15 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. And 17 minus 15 is 2. So here's how I write my answer. The top number is my whole group. So that's how many whole sets of 5 I could get out. So, and then I travel in a circle. Numerator, denominator. So I would write this 3 2/5. I have 3 whole groups and 2 out of 5 left over. Definitely a skill that you need for fractions. All right, let's look at this last one. The last one is called cross simplification. And once we get a little more into multiplying and dividing fractions, this will make a lot more sense. But say I have the fraction 2/3, and I want to multiply that by 9/10, right? When I use this cross simplification method, I look at the numbers diagonal from each other, and I see if I can make those smaller, if they have a common factor. Well, 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then I look at the opposite numbers, 2 and 10. 2 and 10 are both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So when I do my multiplication, instead of looking at those bigger numbers and then simplifying my answer, I simplify in the problem, and it will help me to get to my final response. So now when I multiply, 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 5 is 5, and then that's my simplified answer. So just a couple skills that we'll need as we move forward with multiplying and dividing fractions. Let me know if you have any questions. Love ya. Bye.